this guide, we are going over the very best deck for you to use here in Clash Royale for Arena 24. Before we do dive in this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But Arena 24 keeps the spotlight on by far one of the best decks of all time here in Clash Royale. The double elixir Loon Freeze deck, and honestly, this deck just doesn't slow down. Obviously, the main win condition is going to be your balloon, and when you do pair it with the Lumberjack Rage, it creates one of the scariest pushes in the entire game. Add in something like a Clutch Freeze, and even the best defenses can collapse instantly. For defense, though, you're absolutely stacked. Inferno Dragon is going to melt your tanks, Electro Dragon's going to lock down swarms and supports, and the bowler is going to keep bridge spam under control. With Tornado, also, you can group everything up and grab insane value, or even activate the King Tower early. Overall, this deck has godly defense, strong synergy, and incredible versatility. It may not be the best free-to-play friendly deck, but since you are now in Arena 24, you probably have 90% of these cards anyways. And if you want a proven way to dominate, Double Elixir Loon Freeze should be your go-to deck. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.